Divorce can feel like the end of everything, but what if I told you it's the beginning of something better? Today I'm sharing 5 powerful ways that you can rebuild your confidence and reclaim your happiness. Let's turn this chapter into the best one yet. Hi, my name is Janice, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am a single mom of 2, a Spanish high school teacher, and I know firsthand what it's like to start over. So whether you're navigating a major life change, or you're rediscovering yourself after divorce and kids, or you just want to become a better version of yourself, I've got you. Here we're all about reinvention, self-care, and that glow up that comes from the inside and out. I'll be sharing practical tips, beauty and wellness advice, and real talk about moving on and embracing happiness, no matter where you are in life. Alright, so let's talk about life after divorce, the 5 ways you can rebuild yourself and thrive. So the first thing you're going to want to do is rediscover yourself. Divorce can make you lose touch with who you were outside of the relationship, the things that you used to enjoy doing. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to rediscover your passions, your hobbies, the things that made you you before you were a wife or, a significant partner. So this is a time to take up a hobby and explore activities that you've always wanted to try. So whether it's painting, hiking, dancing, or something creative, this is a perfect opportunity for you to get back into the things that you really enjoy doing before you had to do all the responsibilities of being in a relationship. Reconnecting with your interests will help you discover or rediscover your strengths and your individuality. So the second thing you're going to want to do is set and achieve small goals. Accomplishing small goals gives you a sense of achievement and helps to rebuild trust in your own abilities. So start off with easy to achieve things, whether it's, cleaning off your room, starting a new exercise routine, or learning something new. So when you take on small goals like that and you achieve them and you can check it off, that's going to start rebuilding your confidence. You're going to start feeling more capable that you can do things on your own again. And that's going to make your confidence grow. The third thing you're going to want to do is surround yourself with positive support. Life after divorce can feel very negative and very depressing, as I've spoken in my other videos. But this is the time that you want to be around people that are going to uplift you and give you that confidence and that energy that you need. So this is a time to lean in on your family, on your close friends, or perhaps a support group. Make time for the people that make you feel good and people who reinforce your value. The fourth thing is focusing on self-care. Taking care of your physical and emotional well-being is a powerful way in rebuilding your confidence. So this is a perfect time for you to start prioritizing self-care. Whether it's getting regular exercise, eating well, practicing mindfulness or journaling. I talk a lot about journaling because it really helps when you put your thoughts on paper. There's something very powerful in releasing your thoughts and just putting it on a paper and being able to close it. So I highly recommend that as part of your self-care routine. So treat yourself with kindness and give yourself permission to heal. And the fifth thing is to embrace new opportunities for growth. A divorce often brings a fresh start. Embracing new opportunities can help you see life in a new, more empowered way. So this might mean perhaps moving or traveling or starting even a new career path. Embrace change as an opportunity for personal growth and for positive transformation. Each of these strategies can help you move forward and feel more empowered in this new chapter. This is not an overnight process. This is not something that's going to happen like that. It's going to take some time. But if you follow these steps, I promise that you will begin to start feeling more confident and you will begin to thrive. So I would love to hear how you're going to start your new chapter. What is something that you're going to start implementing? Go ahead and leave a little comment below. And if you like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, or maybe share this with someone that you know might benefit from a way of rebuilding their life after divorce. And I'll see you next time.